Good Thursday morning, everyone. Thanks for checking out this forecast update. Hopefully you enjoyed the weather yesterday. It was nice. We had a temperature reach 71 degrees and some sunshine. Today, the warm weather is going to come with showers and storms, windy conditions, and a chance for some severe weather, especially as we go into the afternoon. This morning, we already have quite a bit of rain out there, and we're going to continue to see scattered showers this morning, possibly a few thunderstorms as well. We do have a risk, an enhanced risk today for severe weather. The main threats will be for isolated tornadoes to develop and a risk for some damaging wind as we go into the afternoon. Looking at overall timing, I think the best chances for severe weather will be from about 2 to 4 p.m. here in Indianapolis. I think around 3 o'clock will be that best chance. I think after 4 o'clock, the best risk will start to shift east of Indy. So as we get towards 5, 6 p.m., things should be settling down, and we're going to see the wind, though, continuing to be a big problem as we go throughout the day today. Winds will be very gusting this afternoon, 45 to 55 miles per hour. So just plan on the brisk for some isolated power outages and possibly a few trees coming down because of the strong winds, even outside of those thunderstorms. So again, be weather aware this afternoon. It looks like, again, showers and storms much of the morning into the afternoon. Greatest severe threat, again, as I mentioned, from 2 to 4 p.m. Looking at tomorrow, it's going to be a much colder day, and the forecast models are showing some light sprinkles, showers, and maybe to the north, even a few snowflakes tomorrow as colder air works in. Temperatures will go from 68 degrees today to 42 tomorrow. The weekend not looking too bad. We'll see a little bit of sunshine, temperatures in the 40s. Next week, pretty cool to start the week. Again, it's not going to be anything too crazy. And as we go into the middle to late part of next week, signs are that we will start to warm things up again. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and be sure to stay weather aware. Have a way to receive warning and alerts as the storms move through this afternoon.